Are you ready to take control of your financial future and achieve true financial freedom? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 4 simple steps that can help you build a solid financial foundation and pave the way to financial independence. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial freedom or looking to level up your financial game, these steps are sure to set you on the right path. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to break down the roadmap to your financial success. Let's get started. Step 1. Track your money. Tracking your money is like creating a map for your financial journey. First things first, you need to know where your money is going. After all, you can't manage what you don't measure, right? Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits and help you identify areas where you can cut back or save more. You can use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your expenses effortlessly. Or simply grab a pen and paper and jot down your incoming expenses manually. The key here is to be thorough and honest with yourself. Don't leave anything out, no matter how small. Those daily coffee runs or impulse purchases add up over time, and tracking them can help you see where your money is really going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start to make changes to improve your financial situation. Maybe you'll realize you're spending too much on dining out and decide to cook more meals at home. Or perhaps you see that you're paying for subscriptions you don't use and can cancel them to save money. Step 2, budget and live below your means. Alright, so you've got a handle on where your money is going. Now it's time to make it work for you. Step 1, budgeting. This is where you take control of your finances by assigning your income to different categories like needs, wants, and saving goals. Start by covering your needs. Think rent, groceries, and utilities. Then make room for savings. Even a small amount can add up over time. And don't forget a little something for fun. After all, you've got to enjoy life, right? The trick with budgeting is to live below your means. That means spending less than you earn. It's easy to get caught up in a lifestyle inflation as you start earning more, but keeping your spending in check is key to financial freedom. So stick to your budget and watch your savings grow. Step 3, pay off debt. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom, one of the first steps is to tackle that pesky high-interest debt. We're talking about those credit card balances and other loans that keep piling up with hefty interest rates. Here's the game plan. Prioritize your debt, starting with the ones carrying the highest interest rates. This might mean making larger payments on those debts while paying the minimum on others. It's all about strategically using your money to wipe out those high-interest debts first. Now, there are a couple of strategies you can use to tackle your debt. One popular method is the avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate while maintaining minimum payments on the rest. Another approach is the snowball method, where you start by paying off the smallest debt first and then move on to the next smallest, gaining momentum as you go. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay consistent and disciplined. Once you pay off your highest interest debts, you'll free up more money to put towards your financial goals, bringing you one step closer to that sweet financial freedom. Step 4, invest and grow your wealth. Now that you've got your financial basics covered, it's time to think about growing your wealth. Investing is a powerful way to make your money work for you. One option is to look into retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, which offer tax advantages and long-term growth potential. Another option is a brokerage account where you can invest in stocks, bonds, and other securities. When you're just starting out, it's wise to start small and gradually increase your investments as you become more comfortable. Consistency is key. Regularly contributing to your investment accounts, even if it's just a small amount, can lead to significant growth over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Stay informed, diversify your investments, and be patient. With time and smart choices, you can watch your wealth grow and move closer to financial freedom. And there you have it, folks. Investing is a crucial step towards securing your financial future and achieving true wealth. Whether you're planning for retirement or looking to grow your wealth, these simple steps can help you get started on the right track. Remember to start small, stay consistent, and stay informed about your investment options. With time and dedication, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.